Hi, I'm Colin from Mack Yacht Services, and since my family relocated from Fort Lauderdale to Stuart in 1986, Stuart has transformed from a quaint fishing village into the epicenter of yachting in the Southeast. We have some of the finest marinas and moorings around. While you're here for your boat projects, you and your crew can truly enjoy your time off. There are many unique shops throughout the downtown area. A wide variety of dining choices for any palate or mood. Miles of beautiful sandy beaches. The last remaining house of refuge on the Florida East Coast. Several museums to visit. The Florida Oceanographic Center. The Sunday Green Market is followed by free concerts on the boardwalk. Live performances at the Lyric Theater, excellent inshore and offshore fishing, or perhaps a horseback ride on the beach. If you could ever pull yourself away from the dock in Stuart, it's a quick hop to the Bahamas. Centrally located on the Manatee Pocket, Mack Yacht Services is your best choice for marine electrical and electronics installations, refrigeration, air conditioning, plumbing, and of course, Mack Sales is here for all your new sales, repairs, plus its full service rigging department. At MYS, we combine excellent products and workmanship with fantastic customer service. Located in one of the friendliest coastal towns you will ever visit. We look forward to seeing you soon. And thank you for considering Mack Yacht Services.